Good morning students, this is science video. We have done chapter number 4 revision and 5 revision of question answers and exercises. So today we are going to start with the chapter number 6, that is plant the producer. In this chapter we are going to revise some exercises, that is true and false, tick the right option, fill in the blanks and name the following, and some question answers. So before starting with this, you have to listen carefully some instructions which you are going to follow for the periodic exam. So in periodic exam, that is starting from 8th of October, timing is 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. So I have given you the timetable of the periodic exam. Follow it, and before starting with the examination, you have to maintain the test copy of each and every subject. You have to buy test copies. If you don't have at your home, you have to buy test copies, a small one which is used for the test, right? You have to mention your name, class, section, subject, page number to each and every page, as we are not getting your test copies for correction, we are getting the photos of your test copies. So in each and every photos there must be your name, class, section and subject should be mentioned. Is it clear? So make sure you will get each and every subject's test copy with you before starting the periodic exam. So one more thing, the timing is very strict, so from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. After that we won't give you time for writing. So in 2 hours you have to finish your paper. After that you have to upload your answer sheets in the VBPS app, that is you have done in the pre-periodic exam, same as before, right? So these are the 2 instructions which you need to follow before the periodic exam. Is it clear? So is there any doubt? If there is any doubt, then you can ask me in the WhatsApp about the examination. And this is the last revision video of the science. So let's begin with it. We are going to start with the chapter number 6, plant the producer, exercises and question answers. So this is the revision test. You have to mention date 7th of October 2020. Science revision, chapter number 6, exercises and question answers. Clear? Question number 1, take the correct option. Plant gives out. Plant what gives out some gas which is exhale or inhale by us, that is oxygen, carbon dioxide or sunlight. You have to take the correct answer. Clear? प्लांट बाहर क्या देता है और अंदर क्या लेता है, ये आपको समझ में आ जाना चाहिए अभी तक. Which of the following are the producers? Which of the following are the called producers? Producers I have told you which makes their own food. So plants, animals and men, which have the sources of making their own food. So you have to write down the correct option. You need to mention the questions as well. Why you people are not writing, I don't know, but if you are not writing, it will be disadvantage for you only. You are going to bear it. Is it clear? So you have to write down all the proper questions. I have given you the ample of time, as half an hour is enough for this to write down the questions. Why you are not writing? Give me the reasons in the group as well. Why you people are not writing it. It is the 3rd day of revision and I have told you several times to write down the questions. Let's continue with it. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Dash help the plant to breathe. Dash help the plant to breathe. So what helps the plant to breathe? What was the, I told you that part of the plant is act as a nose which we have in our body. Nose is a kind of breathing, है ना. नोज से हम क्या करते हैं, ब्रीदिंग करते हैं. तो प्लांट के पास भी एक चीज़ होती है जिससे वो ब्रीद करते हैं, जिससे एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस होता है. सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्ड. लीव्स आर डैश ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोफिल. क्लोरोफिल, I told you, that is our which substance that you have to write down over here. Name the following the substance that make the leaves green. So it's a contradictory one, so you have to mention the answer over here. It is the substance which makes the leaves green. The process by which plants make their own food. What is the process which plants makes their own food with the help of sunlight? You have to mention that process. Write true and false. All plants depend on animals for food. All plants depend on animals for food, or animals depends on plants of food. So you have to calculate it and write down the true and false. Okay, you can think of it. Plant can make their own food. Plant can make their own food. So this is true or false, you all know if you have learned it, right? Answer the following questions. What are the raw materials needed to make food? What are the raw materials needed to make food? There are 3 raw materials which is used by the plants to make the food. That you have to mention it, and how plant obtain these raw materials. How plants get these raw materials from. So you have to mention the sources of it, right? So I have given you the questions from the question answer as well. That is now from the outside of the chapter, it is from the inside of the chapter. So you have to write it down. If there is any doubt in the question paper, or you don't understand the meaning of any word, you can ask me in the WhatsApp. I'm giving you this photo right now. Thank you.